everyone is so worried about talking about what their gut is telling them about AI, censorship, and surveillance that we're dropping the ball on really obvious coalitions. So like me and my kids were able to get pro-life evangelicals and pro-choice lefties to agree that like medical surveillance is bad or reproductive surveillance is bad, because even if they are pro-life, they don't particularly want black helicopters in the reproductive organs of their wife and sister and grandma, and that's an easy layup. And that's a huge piece of the puzzle on medical privacy that nobody's pursuing. Take our facial recognition ban. All we did was go to the left and say, this thing's horribly racially discriminating. Do you not like it? Yes. And then you go to the people on the right and you say, this is just surveillance by the government. Do you like surveillance by the government? No. And then you've got a coalition. And I think the mistake the left makes is this purity test where then we have to like go back to both sides and be like, we got you to say yes, but can we fuck it up by reminding you of all the reasons why you don't totally agree with these people all the time? And I think AI, disinformation, free speech give us these new avenues to remind us about what brings us together, not what tears us apart.